In this video, I'll show you how to choose between Zapier free and paid plans. Start by thinking about how you plan to use Zapier. The biggest difference between the free plan and the paid plans is the number of tasks, automation complexity, and advanced features available to you. First, consider the number of tasks you expect to run each month. A task is counted whenever a Zap successfully performs an action. If you're only automating a few simple workflows and your monthly task usage is low, the free plan may be enough. However, if your automations run frequently or involve large amounts of data, you'll likely need a paid plan. Next, think about the complexity of your automations. The free plan is generally best for simple workflows with a basic trigger and action. If you need multi-step zaps that perform several actions automatically, a paid plan is usually the better option. After that, consider whether you need premium app integrations. Many popular business tools, marketing platforms, CRM systems, and advanced applications require a paid Zapier plan. If your workflow depends on these premium apps, upgrading may be necessary. Now, evaluate your need for advanced automation features. Paid plans often include tools such as filters, paths, conditional logic, formatting tools, webhooks, and other advanced workflow capabilities. These features can significantly reduce manual work and create more powerful automations. Next, think about how important automation speed is to your business. Higher tier plans generally provide faster update intervals, meaning your workflows can run more quickly after a trigger occurs. After that, review your business goals. If you're experimenting with automation, learning Zapier, or managing a personal project, the free plan is a good starting point. It allows you to understand how Zapier works before committing to a subscription. On the other hand, if you're running a business, managing client work, processing leads, handling customer support, or automating critical workflows, a paid plan can often save enough time to justify the monthly cost. Now, compare the cost of the paid plan against the value of the time you'll save. Even a small automation that eliminates repetitive manual work can provide a significant return on investment for many businesses. Next, monitor your usage. If you frequently hit task limits, need additional zaps, or find yourself restricted by feature limitations, that's usually a strong sign that it's time to upgrade. Finally, start with the free plan if you're unsure. As your automation needs grow, you can move to a paid plan when you need more tasks, premium apps, advanced workflow features, or faster automation performance. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to choose between Zapier free and paid plans. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.